I'm very stuck already.
There's one.
One what?
Very. First one of the day, and we haven't even started.
Everyone says very.
They do. That's exactly the problem. Let's play something. Every time one of us says very today, the other one catches it, and we find a better word instead.
Both of us?
Both of us. I say it too.
We'll see. Okay. 5 across. 5 letters, extremely tired.
Convenient.
Why?
Because you said you were very tired this morning, remember? Neither of us slept well.
Ugh, don't remind me. I was very tired. There it is again.
Think about it, though. Tired. Does that really cover how you felt?
No, bigger than that.
That's exactly the feeling this word wants. Exhausted.
Exhausted. That's not 5, though.
Doesn't matter. I want you to remember it more than I want the puzzle to be right. Say it like you mean it.
I was exhausted.
There it is.
Okay, next clue. 7 across. 7 letters, very hungry.
Oh, I know this feeling. Remember Saturday? We skipped lunch because of the rain, and by dinner I could barely think straight.
You kept asking what time it was.
I was very hungry.
2.
Fair. Okay, teach me then.
Well, hungry sounds normal. You sounded like it was more than normal.
It was.
So what's bigger?
You already know this one, I think.
Starving?
Right. Starving.
Starving. 8, not 7. Okay, here's the next one. 8 letters, very cold.
This is an easy one for you. Think about this morning when you opened the door to check the weather.
Oh, I said it was very cold and I closed the door so fast.
Okay.
Cold, but bigger, like it goes into your bones.
Right. That's it exactly. Freezing.
Freezing. It was freezing this morning.
Much better. Yes, instead of very cold, we say freezing.
Okay, now, 7 letters, very angry.
Oh, this one's mine to admit.
Oh, what do you mean?
Remember the delivery this week? Canceled 3 times.
Oh, right. You were pacing.
I was I was furious.
Wait, you caught yourself.
Well, I'm playing the game too, remember?
Okay, so furious. Bigger than angry.
Much bigger. Angry is annoyed. Furious is that. So instead of saying very angry, say furious.
You're not furious now, are you?
Not even a little. Not with you here.
Okay, here. 9 letters. Very scared.
This one's about you, actually.
Me? Why me?
That movie last month. The one with the basement scene.
That movie last month. The one with the basement scene.
Okay, keep going.
Wait, bigger word. Scared, but my heart was actually racing.
That's terrified.
Terrified. I was terrified.
You caught that one all by yourself.
I did. Okay, moving on. 9 letters, very smart.
Think of your sister. She finished her exam early this week, didn't she?
She's very smart, yeah.
That's 6.
Wow, you're really not letting one slide today.
Not one.
Okay, smart but bigger, like It shines.
You're getting close.
Clever?
Clever.
She's clever. That sentence sounds better.
Yes. It sounds like you actually mean it. Hey, what is it?
My sister. The interview didn't go well.
I'm sorry.
She said she's very sad.
Very sad doesn't really hold what that feels like, does it? Wanting something that much and it not working out.
No, it doesn't.
There's a word for that. Devastated.
Devastated.
It's not really about sadness. It's about something mattering and losing it.
That's exactly it.
Tell her you're there for her. The word can wait.
I'm here. Call me whenever you're ready. Thank you.
Of course. How's everything looking for you next week, by the way?
Very busy, honestly.
Caught you.
Wait, I did, didn't I?
You did. That's the game.
Fair is fair. Okay, busy but bigger. What's the word?
Think of a boat. Too much water coming in.
Swamped?
Exactly. Swamped.
I'm swamped, honestly. The laundry's been sitting there 2 days.
We're both a little swamped, if I'm being fair.
Okay, here. 9 letters, very funny.
Oh, my brother sent me a video earlier. It's very fun.
Got you. 9.
Okay. It's hilarious.
Better.
Show me you remember it then. What's very funny?
Hilarious.
Hilarious.
I think I'm winning this game.
Don't get used to it.
So we're down to the last one. 7 letters. Very excited.
Oh, perfect timing, actually. I was going to tell you. I booked us that weekend trip we talked about. The cabin, next month.
Wait, really? You actually booked it?
Yeah, I did.
That's really good news.
I'm very excited, actually. Wait, no.
Yes?
I'm thrilled.
Thrilled! Perfect.
Didn't even need you to catch that one.
You really didn't. Whoa. Okay. So, exhausted, starving, freezing, furious, terrified, clever, devastated, swamped, hilarious, thrilled.
Wow. 10 words.
Wait, let's actually count. Who caught who more?
Oh, you want the score now?
Okay. I caught you on starving and hilarious. That's 2 for me.
And I caught you on exhausted, clever, and swamped. That's 3 for me.
3-2. You win.
I win.
Fair. Though some of those we caught ourselves. Does that count for anything?
We'll call those a tie. Doesn't change the score, though.
No, it doesn't. We both said very less today than we usually do.
That's the whole point. You don't need to memorize a list. You just need to notice it, the second it comes out of your mouth.
So, try it yourself this week. Next time very is about to come out of your mouth,
Pause for a second. Is there a bigger word for this? 'Cause there's probably a better word waiting right behind it.
tell us in the comments the first time you catch yourself.
We'll be listening for very in there too.
Let's speak again together in the next video. Bye!
Bye.